हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बनाएंगे क्रिसमस प्लम केक बट विदाउट एनी एग्स एंड विदाउट एनी अल्कोहल। दिस केक इज लोडेड विथ lots and lots of dry fruits. It's tasty and it's very easy to prepare. So let's get started. So first we're going to soak some dry fruits in fresh orange juice, and here I have some dry fruits. I have taken a bowl and I'm going to transfer all these dry fruits and we'll add orange juice. After adding orange juice, mix everything well and let it soak for at least 1 hour. Here I have taken a large mixing bowl and I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of maida. Next I'm gonna add half teaspoon of dalchini powder and half teaspoon of ginger powder. Also 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now sift everything together. The dry ingredients are done, so keep it aside. और यहाँ पे मैंने एक और बोल ले लिया है, इसमें ऐड करेंगे हाफ कप वेजिटेबल ऑयल and 1 cup dark brown sugar. Now I'm gonna combine this with a whisk, which takes about a couple of minutes. It's done. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give a good mix until they're nicely combined. It's done. Now add this in the dry ingredients. Now this is the time to add soaked dry fruits. And gently mix using spatula or a whisk. The batter is ready. Now this is a cake tin. Before we pour the batter, इसको थोड़ा सा grease कर लेते हैं. I'm using here vegetable oil and also using butter paper. Like this. Now garnish with some dry fruit, tutti frutti, and it's done. And here I have a pan in which I put some salt and a stand. Now cover this at medium flame. Need to preheat this for 8 to 10 minutes. Now place this on the stand, cover it and bake for 60 to 65 minutes at low flame. Insert a knife to check if the cake is done. If it's not done, again cover and let it cook for some more time. But here it's done, so I'm gonna turn off now. So the cake is ready. Now let it cool down completely. And there you go, it's ready to eat. Enjoy your Christmas cake. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, see you next week. Until, take care, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.